Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a walk around the Bristol Light Festival 2023.
We'll start our tour around Bristol Light Festival with Swing Song. It's based near College Green. It's a rideable light. I think it was back here last year, but on the first night it wasn't actually working. If you come down from Swing Song, there's this information booth just here where you can pick up a map which guides you where all the bits and pieces are. It's also available on the website. They were very mesmerising. Just stand there and just watch them for ages. Really cool. The photos I've seen online of that one really don't do it justice. But no, come and see it in person. It's worth it. Now you might expect we go under there to our next installation or light feature artwork, but no. We go this way. We're heading to King Street. So King Street is home to the Bristol longest continually operating regional theatre in the country. It's really cool in there. And it's also home to Let Us Shine. So if you're wondering what that scream was about, the scream was the microphone and it activates the wall of lights. Welcome to Bristol Coach Station, where we have our next one, Cheers Drive. You'll see the sign quite a lot here. We've now moved into Quaker's Friars for Trumpet flowers. Oh, these are pretty. Now this is cool. Brett Left-Handed Giant, just off Castle Park. down onto the bridge there. And then you see these smoky effects with lights. It's really cool.
That ring coming through there. So if they were to just, put the power for us in our business later.
Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to see your walks, so share them with me with the hashtag #WalkWithJesse, and I'll see you next time.